Progress continues at Mount Dennis Station and the Eglinton Maintenance and Storage Facility, the two sites furthest west on the Eglinton Crosstown project. At Mount Dennis Station, the building structure is now clearly formed. Work is happening inside the box as well, with track and utility installation underway. In addition, girders were recently installed for the new Photography Drive Bridge, which will run overtop the station and into the EMSF. The Kodak building has been returned to its original position after being temporarily moved to build a new foundation at its final resting site. Work continues to restore the building, which will be approximately 1 meter higher than originally built, with the introduction of a concourse level. With completion of the EMSF scheduled for late 2018, a whirlwind of activity is going on to complete the finishing touches. Features such as electrical, ventilation, and plumbing are now going in, along with drywall work. On the outside, the final pieces of rail have now been laid, and work continues to install the overhead catenary, the electrical system that will supply power to the light rail vehicles. Prior to the opening of the Crosstown, the EMSF will serve as a testing ground for the Crosstown's light rail vehicles, and the TTC Operators Building will be occupied by the members of the project team. We're excited about the future and appreciate your patience as we work to build this important transit project. Watch for more updates on thecrosstown.ca and on Twitter and YouTube at CrosstownTO in the coming months.